Hello everybody, today I'd like to share with you one of my two streetlights here on the tree. This one is a GE M250 power door. I recently picked it up with a bunch of others and a whole bunch of other really cool stuff. And I really want to share with you everything else that I got, but unfortunately I just don't have the time. So here are one of three of this exact same fixture. Only two of them had the glass on them. The other ones were missing the glass. I also got a regular M250 without the power door and a ITT as well. So very cool. All of them were 150 watt high pressure sodium, and I kept them that way. However, the ballasts were for 240 volt and they weren't multi-tap. So I put multi-tap ballasts in and it works perfectly. So anyway, like I said, this is the GE M250 power door, and we can see it does not have a photocell socket on it. It has a plastic cover there and it's clear, and you'll see that when I open it up. So first, let's take a look at this glass. We can see the GE logo there, which is kind of faint, but it is there, and very nice quality glass. Go ahead and open it up here. We can see the inside, the latch that holds the glass in, of course, and I believe this is a Philips, a 150 watt high pressure sodium bulb in here currently. And we have our nice rubber gasket, of course. Very good quality this thing is. And you can see there the clear window that is used to block where the photocell would be. So it's kind of neat. It's kind of like a skylight within the fixture itself. So I'll open up the power door itself. Of course, that just clips in right there. However, the power door needs to be loosened here, so I'm going to do that and be right back. As you can tell, it rained the other day and overnight, so some of the water that pooled up here ended up dripping onto the ballast, but that's okay. In here we have an advance ballast. I have a whole bunch of these things. I also have the capacitor and igniter over here as well, and we can see it's all wired up. I kept the plugs that they use here to connect and disconnect the door all wired up pretty nicely, and that's what it looks like with the door open. Now, of course, inside we have the original GE sticker here. The date code is totally scratched off, and we have something else over there as well, but it looks like, oh, this one was 277 volt, not 240, but close enough in remembering, I guess. Again, you can see that skylight thing, terminal block, and the back of the socket there. So very cool. And that's what it looks like open. So I'm going to close it up and we'll turn it on. Okay, so I just plugged it in. You can see the bulb turning on there. Pretty typical stuff, high pressure sodium. Again, I want to get another nice shot of this old NEMA tag on here. Of course, the light outside makes it really hard to see it, but of course we have that and the nice GE logo there as well. But here it is, turning on. It'll be warmed up in a little bit and we'll come right back. And here we are at full brightness. That didn't take long at all. Very bright. Of course, it's not nighttime, so we're not going to get a really nice view of how well it lights stuff up, but it definitely does a good job. See if I can get a whole view. Fixture there, beautiful. GE M250. Sorry, my hand is so shaky. Beautiful fixture. Of course, we have another beautiful one up there, and that'll be in the next video. So, very cool. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this little look around of one of my GE M250 power doors. Beautiful things, especially now that they're all being replaced with LED. Makes them a little more rare too. Anyway, once again, I really hope you enjoyed, and also please comment, rate, and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching.